Have you ever wondered what's the most common menu in Thai people's house? Is it pad Thai or what? I would say kai jia or omelette. It's quick, easy, yummy, don't have to think much. But today I am going a little fancy by adding shrimps on it. Stick with Pam to see how to make shrimps omelette with only 5 ingredients. Here's the first 3 out of 5. Starting with slicing the green onions first. And we're making omelette, cannot miss the eggs, crack them in the bowl. And here comes the other 2 ingredients, light soy sauce and pepper, either black or white, as much as you like. I clearly love the spice as you can see. Now beat them, mix them well. And we are using 1 cup of shrimps. I am using the frozen one from that supermarket. Look cooked already, but I am going to boil them again anyway, just to feel comfortable. And for those who are new here, Sawadee Ka. Welcome to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. I am Pam, and I am sharing Thai recipes in the easy to follow way twice a week. If you love cooking, especially home cooked Thai, do not forget to subscribe. Khop kun ka. Okay, now let's come back to the omelette. After boiling shrimps, we're putting 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and we're going to wait until it's hot. Then pour the eggs. And immediately shrimps when it's still not completely cooked. You can also just put shrimps and green onions in the eggs bowl and pour in the same time, but I like to arrange it like this. Yes, sometimes Pam can be complicated, but she'll handle it. The reason why we put the topping when it's not completely cooked yet, because then the eggs can kind of hold the shrimps and the green onions together. I think now it's good to be flipped. I'll play safe, because I don't want to break it. Flip back. And done. That's it. Ready to eat. That's gonna be my good brunch. I love eating it with ketchup and sometimes sriracha. What about you? Do you prefer having omelette with ketchup or with sriracha or just neither? Let me know in the comment. See how lovely it looks. I am hungry now, guys. Gonna go to eat. Thank you very much for watching and see you again next recipes. Sawadee ka.